mahtab. You're watching Best Belly Dance Workout, the best YouTube channel with belly dance tutorials, tips and exercises. In this video, I will tell you how to use sword in belly dancing. My type of the sword is called shamshir, and this is Persian style. And when you're holding shamshir, which is quite heavy, then you need to hold it very well. And you can hold it in one hand and then use it, for example, for moves like that, but you can also hold it in both hands, so it will be easier to control it. You can also keep your hands on the opposite part of the shamshir, and it will also look very nice. In belly dancing, we can balance with shamshir on our head or hip. And if you would like to learn some tricks and choreography with the shamshir, check tutorials on Best Belly Dance Workout YouTube channel. There's also a video how to find the perfect sword. And what about the style of dancing with shamshir? This is belly dance show prop, so we will not dance oriental with this. We're gonna dance belly dance show to show music that can be energetic, dramatic, or with the shamshir it looks very good when you're dancing to a mysterious music, to slow music, that you can use many snake moves, that you can use floor work and balancing with shamshir on the head. The next video on this YouTube channel will be with the choreography with a sword. Hope you like this video. If yes, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell to get notifications about new videos on this YouTube channel. And if you'd like to learn at home, visit page bestbellydanceworkout.com, where you can get access to my unique online belly dance programs like complete belly dance course, isolations and layers program, and 15 minutes workout. You can also join free subscription. Thank you and see you in next videos.